Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So, in this tutorial, I will explain how you can create a blog post in Shopify, which is really important for your SEO visibility and to gain the organic traffic. So, just a disclaimer that this is not related to any SEO perspective. So, I'm just trying to explain you how you can create the blog post, how you can create the blog category, and how you can edit the template. So I will not give any advice related to SEO, how you can edit the titles, what is the best way for the keyword suggestion, how to write the better blog post, how to adjust the headings, and what should be the URL. So this is something different and not related to this tutorial. For this discussion, you have to just watch any SE video so that you can have a better idea. But let's stick to the topic: how to create the blog post in Shopify. Okay, so I'll click. You have to click on content in the Shopify admin panel, and then inside the content you will see the option blog post. So currently, as you can see, I have the empty blog post. I haven't created any blog post, but if you see any blog post existing, so it doesn't matter. You can delete it and start from scratch. Okay, so you should delete the test blog. Okay, I just have to click on now create blog post. Okay, and then I have write a sample blog through DeepSeek, which is really helpful for me, and I personally use it. But I would suggest, if you write the blog post, hire some good content writer. Don't just copy paste from the AI tools, because it will not do any good for your website. So for this tutorial, I just have copied from the AI tool, because the demonstration is for how the things actually work. So I just write the title, for example. Okay, the best t-shirts to wear in summer. So this is the title, and then the excerpt means that the summary of the blog, which is normally displayed inside the blog, but it is not compulsory. Just an optional step, but we will do go for it. Okay, so this is the excerpt, and this is the content that I just copied from the blog. Again, I would suggest that you go for the human written content. So just copy this one. If you want to add any image inside the blog, the process is really simple. Like, if I want to add image here, so this there are multiple options. You can add the image, you can add the video, and all of the stuff which is available in Shopify editor. For example, if I click on insert image, I have the option. I again insert the product image. This is just to show you how the things work. I just added this one. Okay, and then as you can see, we have added the excerpt, we have added the content title, and the area where you can edit the title is this one. You can add the meta description, but make sure that the meta description is SEO friendly. But currently, for this video, let's stick to something really basic. This just let's just try the excerpt for this one. Okay, so this is how the things are done. Let's just do it. From fabrics, best fabrics. Okay, so URL handler is too big to wear in summer. Okay, just for the sake of some basic SEO. So visibility, it should be visible. Image, what should be the featured image of blog? Let's stick to this one again, because we're just trying to show you organization and the blog. So these are the categories. I just created another category other than news, which is the default category. I just created a category whose name is suggestions. I will also explain you how you can create the categories. Okay, so categories are really important, because you don't want every blog to go into the news. You have to differentiate. Currently, we will select the suggestions category, and the tags are really not important. So tags doesn't matter at all. Don't just stick with it. If you have a lot of blogs and you just want to automatically adjust the blog to the collection, then you should go for tags. But personally, I have worked in SEO. I personally don't recommend tags for any purpose. Even if you write a lot of blogs, you just have to add them to a category, and that's it. uh, don't bother with it. But if you want, I can show you how you can how it works. Just to show you, t-shirt tag, I just added and add t-shirt. So that's how the things are done. So just click on save, as we have created our new blog post, which is the first blog post. Okay, then click on again blog post, and as you will see that the blog will be shown. Just refresh it. It will take some time, and you will have an idea how the things work. So as you can see, the blog has been published, and once we have published a blog, we have the option to create the categories. So as we don't have any blog, so the option to create the categories were not shown. You have to create at least a single blog to show the categories. So here you can manage the comments. If you receive any comments, if you're lucky enough, your store get traffics, you will receive comments. But currently we don't have any comments, so I won't be able to explain you. But you will be able to reply to comments from here, and then you have to click on manage blogs. From here you can create the categories, and it's highly recommended. Currently, as you can see, we have the news and suggestions category, and the comments have been disabled for this category. It's optional. So if I want to add another category, what I have to do, I will click on how to. So this is a category, and then again we will have to write some description. This is the sample description of how to. Okay, that's it. That's how things work. And then click on save. So we have like three categories now, and to create the blog post you have to click on blog post again. If you click on manage blogs, it will take you to the categories, and you have to go back to create the blog post. So this is how the blog post work. And if I just uh, click on preview how this actually looks like. So this is how the blog page actually. So the image is not good. You can change the image of your own. This is not a HD quality image. The image is not of the correct size. You can adjust it later on and do the testing. So this is how, as you can see, we have the blog post done, and you will see the lines. This is the lines because I have just copy pasted the text from the AI tool, and this is you can do some formatting, but you will have an idea. But I hope you got an idea how you can publish the blog post. Okay, so this is how the things are working. And so now let's go to the customize option, and how we can adjust the design of the blog section. Okay, as you can see, the blog design is not good currently. So just click on online store, and then, by the way, I will also tell you in this tutorial how you can add the blog to the navigation. This would be a bonus, although it's a simple step. But let's stick to it. Let me also explain you. You have to click on customize in the DOM theme. This video is gonna be a little bigger. I was not expecting this one. You just have to click on home page, this drop down, and then blogs. If you want to edit the categories, you have to click on blogs, and if you want to edit the blog post, you have to click on this one. So currently we want to edit the blog post. So this is the blog post currently that we wrote. We just have to edit the design of it. I don't like the design. I want to edit the featured image. For example, this is how the blog looks like. If I click on featured image, I have the option to if I want to use a small image, medium image. So let's select the medium one. Okay, so let's select the medium one, and then we can also adjust the title. How you will, if you want to show the author, you can show the author. And if you want to share, for example, if you want to edit this one, you can also share that text as well. If you want to edit the content, so this is how this is done. But you can edit the content from the blog post. Obviously, you can add another section if you want. So there are a lot of options, theme customization option that you can add. Like if you want to add the products featured collection to every blog post, you can like click on featured product, and then you have to select a product, and then this is how the product will be displayed in each blog post. The product is displayed in each blog post. So this is how the you can edit the blog. I hope the things are clear. Please, sorry from my side for the bad blog editing. So this is just a copy paste blog. You can edit the, you can format it properly. This is not a properly formatted SEO friendly blog. This is just for testing. You have to adjust the options, and it is highly recommended that you do so. So if you click on like now if you want to edit the collections, you just have to click on blogs and then default blog. So I just want to show you how you can basically edit the collection page. So this is the template, and you can just click on grid. Currently the how to we don't have assigned any blog to this category. So let's assign some blog to this category, and then we can edit it later on. Let me show you again. Currently we have to create like 2 to 3 blogs, and then we can do it. So how you can basically assign the block to any category, just click on this one. And if you want to add block to multiple categories, you just have to like click on how to. So currently it gives us the option to just assign the block to a single category. Okay, so we'll click on save, and then let's create at least 2 blocks. Okay, so does it give the option to duplicate? No, this is not, it doesn't give the option to duplicate. So let's create another blog post just to show you. Let me pause the video and then create the blog post. So I just created a similar blog, and then I have assigned it to the again the how to category, and the visibility is hidden. So let's make it visible again, because currently it will not be visible to anywhere in Shopify. Again, there's one error, feature publisher. So the publish date is not correct. We have to adjust the publish date. Availability is like something we have to. So I just made it visible. So currently we have like 2 blog posts, and they have been assigned to the same category, how to. So for this tutorial, let me also explain you how you can add the blog post to navigation. Just click on navigation, then you have to click on main menu, and then let's add the blog post, the blogs and how to. So this is how you can add the blog post category in the blog. Okay, just click on online store, and then you have to click on, you have to click on customize. Now you can easily go to the blog category section, how to. Just click on how to. So once I click on how to, as you can see, the category page has been shown. So 2 blog posts are shown. Okay, so the default blog, let's go to the setting, and as you can see, the template is blog post, and you can click on grid. You can edit as many options you want. Show, if you don't want to show the featured image, you can just deselect it. You just if I want to select the feature date, I can show the author and all those stuff. This is how you can edit the category page. I hope the things are clear. Sorry, the tutorial has been a little longer, but I hope the things are clear. How you can edit the blog post, how you can edit the blog category, how you can create the blog post, how you can create the blog category, and how you can add it to the navigation. Thank you very much, and I hope the things are clear.